Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you will be fine and taking good care of yourselves. So today we are going to start our next story, that is story number 5. So let's get started with the outline reading first and then we'll move to the story that we have built up from the outlines. A flock of pigeons comes flying to vast green fields. Flock of pigeons का ग्रुप या जमघटा या उनको हम रेवड़ भी कहते हैं यूजुअली, दैट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर एनिमल्स. फ्लॉक, ग्रुप ऑफ एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स इवन. टू वास्ट ग्रीन फील्ड्स, बहुत वसी जो ग्रीन फील्ड्स होती हैं वहाँ पे. लुक डाउन, सी प्लेंटी ऑफ फूड ग्रेन्स, बहुत सारे फूड ग्रेन्स देखती हैं. आस्क देयर चीफ टू एलाइट, elite mean to come down, नीचे उतरना. Does not agree, who does not agree? Definitely the leader. Fears lest hunter should have set net, means it might be possible that hunter have set the net. Pigeons say fear imaginary only, means this fear is imaginary or it is just the imagination of feeling of fear. They land and are caught in the net, और फिर वो नीचे उतरते हैं and they are caught by the net. They cry, "Oh chief, what shall we do now?" He says, "Well, dear friends, now exert together mean exert force together. Pull the net up and fly away within." और क्या हुआ कि fly away, net के साथ ही fly करना शुरू कर दो. They follow the advice and are saved. So because they all were exerting so much force over it, so it was possible for all of them to exert pressure with the net as well. So this was the outline, so let's move to the whole story. Once upon a time, a flock of pigeons came flying to vast green fields. They looked down and saw plenty of food grains. उन्होंने नीचे देखा और बहुत सारे खाने वाले grains देखे. They asked their chief to alight, to come down. Now this come down in the bracket I have only written for your convenience to understand the meaning. You may skip while preparing or writing. He did not allow them to do so because he feared that the net was set by some hunter. उसको लगा कि शायद किसी शिकार करने वाले ने ये जाल उनके लिए लगाया है. The pigeons insisted that there was no fear of a net and his fear was baseless. कबूतरों ने ज़ोर दिया कि उनका डर सही नहीं है या कोई बुनियाद नहीं है उसकी. And his fear was baseless. At last, the leader had to surrender. आखिरकार लीडर को झुकना पड़ा. So he accepted their proposal और उसने उनकी तजवीज़ को कबूल किया. They landed and were caught in a net. वो नीचे उतरे और पकड़े गए. All of them were puzzles, बहुत confused थे. They requested their leader to do something to get out of the net. उन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट की अपने लीडर से कि कुछ करे कि हमें इस नेट से या इस जाल से बाहर निकालें. He advised them to exert their power together. उसने सबको नसीहत की कि सब अपनी अपनी ताकत को एक साथ लगाएं या इस्तेमाल करें. And pull the net up, और जाल को ऊपर की तरफ लेकर जाएं. They acted upon his advice and got rid of the problem or got saved. उन्होंने उसकी नसीहत पर अमल किया और मसले से छुटकारा पाया. So this was the story, and you know that you can see that story is written in a very easy language. Now the moral of the story is union is strength. Now, when it comes to the title, you also may give the title to the story Union is Strength, or according to that, A Flock of Pigeon Only, a flock of pigeons and the net. So it is according to you, but when it is recommended, then I always recommend that the moral and the title of the story should be different. So they should not be same. So better to choose a title that is different from the moral. So that is it for today, dear students. Hope you will have understood all that. Now we'll be resuming to the next story, that is story number 6, inshallah, from tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.